homeboys.
Oh no, this is the
Ito yung clip mga homeboys. Oh, you can write your name right here. Kadas mga homeboys. Oh. Did you see that? Mamaya mga homeboys, magkuhan tayo. Try tayo magpalipad ng drone sa tago. Mga homeboys. Danger. Mga homeboys. You see that mga homeboys?
Maganda yung punta dito. Pag wala kang kasunod. Pero kung may kasunod, tapos ang hina mong maglakad.
Wow! Look at that mga homeboys.
Yun ang problema guys.
Nice. That's the end. Pataas mo. Pataas mo.
Do you think are we gonna go back here or there's a way?
Yeah, maybe.
Kasi later, mag-picture na lang tayo no?
Yeah. Sige, keep going.
Wala na.
Wow. That is nice mga homeboys.
This is beautiful guys.
Ganda.
Oh.
Galing.
Maganda pag sa 360. Kasi mas gaano kataas mo nito. Hanggang ganyan lang siya.
Nice.
Oh.
Sir. Sila mga homeboys, did end na to? Hindi pa.
No.
Hindi pa. Kung ito mga homeboys, creek ito mga homeboys nila ng tubig. Tapos ginawa na nilang kwan, tourist spot. Yun ang tourist spot mga homeboys.
Babe, can you hold the water?
Look at that cliff mga homeboys. Everywhere dumaan yung tubig.
So do you do, are you building
Oh no.
follow the insurance? Or you,
Let them first go.
oh, thank you.
We're taking our time.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you. You too.
Yung mga homeboys. Look at that. Wow.
This is the one that I hate.
Look at that mga homeboys. Yung dadaanan namin mga homeboys. Tapos meron akong drone, meron akong camera. Oh no. Okay na eh. Oh no.
Oh no.
That's it?
No.
So mga homeboys.
Maganda dyan, baby, sa right there.
Yung may ginadaan ng mga homeboys. So very
Narrow.
siya. Ay ko! Wow. It's getting worse and worse and worse. Taas mo. Tutok mo sa kanila.
I can't.
Huwag mo itaas. Baba mo sa kamay mo. Taas mo ang camera. Yan. Go.
By the time matapos ito, guys, ang dami ko ng scratches. Kasi yun ang pang-hold ko. Hawak ka na.
Ito wala. Nagkaskas ng camera ko.
Wait. Makit lang ako. Oh my God.
Oh, wala.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you do like large scale manufacturing? Yes.
Are you gonna go first?
But they would call it micro scale. Sorry about that.
No, you're fine.
Oh.
This one right here, don't
Like how many units?
right there.
Go, go.
Oh my God.
Maybe.
I get this one. Hawakan mo muna.
What the heck?
Wait. I need to hold it.
Hindi ka man dito pwede magbalik eh.
No, you can't.
Kasi one way lang to.
Sorry, no, I will.
What's in there? Kaya lang dyan para magkutingin mga kaya homeboys.
Mahala na ka mo guys magtingin dyan sa...
Oh my God. So high. Oh no.
Yeah, okay.
Kasama homeboys.
Sana hindi na natin ito dinala.
Ano?
Oh my God. Okay.
Oh, shit. Sorry, bumaba na yung 360 mga kamboys. Daming taas mga kamboys, lagi na. Daming taas. Wala, hindi tayo makatake ng picture nito.
Wala.
Yan na. Oh shit. Oh no.
I think pabalik na sa akin. Wala na.
Ah!
Hindi niya sa phone. I think pabalik na sa akin kasi okay guys. Para makita niyo yun sa
Ano mga kamboys? Karaming karagada mga kamboys. Sayang oh. Kaya mo na. Hindi ka na makapicture dito. Paano na yung 360 dyan?
bahala ng 360. Hindi natin ito ano. Wala rin kayo makita guys. Ganyan lang oh.
Okay. Palit na ng palit mga ka-homeboys. Kita maliit na. Maliit na ako. Maliit pa rin yung dinadaanan. Oh no. Ano tong 360? Wala itong laman?
Which I saw.
Oh my god. Sana mga ka-homeboys magkasya. Yan sana. Makahirap tayo dito na.
I
Para
think wala
mag-record.
dito. Wala itong pabalikan, baby. We need to go back later.
That's
Para
one way.
mag-picture now. Huh?
Yeah.
We need
That's
to
one
go
way.
back.
Dapat binababa na lang.
Right now.
Ang taas ng akyatan ng mga ka-homeboys.
Hindi na ako na. Para makita na nila.
Oh, this is one.
Pag isang tao lang ito guys. Hindi pwedeng pang magsarabatan.
Mga ka-homeboys oh. Wala. Maraming bitbit, magtubig, mag-drone. Para magka-picture kayo ni. Ano hintay niya?
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
Kada ko linkan.
When I was in
Kaya
Scouts,
kan kami mga ka-homeboys.
a couple times.
Hiring kami for cameraman and editor. Hiring kami. Aray ko. Ala. Garas-gas ng camera mga ka-homeboys.
Okay, it's time for you to hold it.
Iwan mo na dyan. Balikan mo na lang.
No, you can't.
Oh, like I like it, but I mean, it was like
Sandali
outside.
guys.
Oh, that's
Oh my god.
So we were,
Oh my god.
we were roped in.
This is the stairs.
Blade.
Oh, that's the
Yeah.
stairs. Oh no mga ka-homeboys. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh shit. I think this is the hardest one.
Ay,
Hold on, I need to turn off this now. Okay. Sorry guys. You're fine. I need to turn off now. 'Cause I don't have time to look at it. Oh my God.
Ah!
Maganda ka.
Oy.
Na sana kaya lang. Oh my God.
Oh my god. It's hard mga ka-homeboys.
Yep, it is.
Ah!
Whoa.
It's hard. It's too high. Hello.
Nakadagdagan
Ay,
ako
ay,
kasi
ay.
itong ano ko eh. Starbucks eh.
Ha?
Sa gabal pa sir.
Mga ka-homeboys. It's getting harder and harder. Ay. Go. Oh no. Ay. Wait. What the? Oh no.
Wow. Let him go first.
Where are you? What the heck? Take time. See, I have a lot of... Oh no. Oh sorry mga ka-homeboys. Let's go to the back. Ay ay ay. Ah. Ah. Kasi, ingatan mo yung camera. Oh my god. Ano? Ay. Oh my lord. It's getting higher. Aray ko. Yes. Be careful kayo mga ka-homeboys. Kasi, ay ko. Allah. Ay ko. Ah. It's too high. Oh no. Mommy, where are you?
What?
Hold this. Ay, kaya ko eh. Nasa ko yung camera mga homeboys. Ah. Oh my God.